So retro CD players are coming back. This is so awesome. This was gifted to me so I could show you everything it comes with and just kind of demonstrate it and show you how it works. Now it does come with a set of headphones because this does not have any external speakers, of course. They never did. I don't remember the CD players ever having any speakers. What would you do is you would plug in your headphones right here, or you can plug in this cord and run it to a speaker, and I'll demonstrate that in a minute and just show you how that works. Also, it comes with a charging cord here. You're going to plug this up with this Type-C connector right here. Now, you can't get up to right around 11 hours or so, depending on how much you're playing, the volume, things like that. You would plug that in right there to go ahead and turn it on and get it charged up. This does have a 1200 milliamp hour battery built in, and that's what gives you that 11 hours. It does come with a test CD. You can see here it just has a few songs. It really is just some sounds of water and things like that, a lullaby. So right here, we're going to go ahead and start right here. This is where we turn it on. On the bottom side here, it says off, on, and hold. If you put it on hold, what that means is someone can hit all the buttons. Maybe you have children and you don't want them playing with it. It's not going to operate anything if they put it on hold. So that's off. You can see here nothing's displayed, but when I put it on, now the CD is going to display. Of course, this is what the inside looks like. We'll put our CD in here. Just snap it in there. I'm going to close it. So let me show you the front of the CD player. We've got a nice display right here. It's going to let you know everything that's going on at the time. So we'll start over here on the left-hand side with the buttons. We got P for programmable. Also, we have a different mode here. We've got a sleep timer. We've got repeat. Over here, we can advance or rewind the songs. Right here, we can also play or pause. And then right here, we can go ahead and stop it. Stop the music. On the side here, we actually have a little knob here. You can see here that's for our volume. It also has a TF card slot. So if you want to go ahead and load up some music onto a little TF card, micro SD card, you can pop it in there. Of course, I've mentioned these earlier, but this is where we're going to go ahead and charge the unit up. Our headphone jack, speaker jack, and then of course again, we can turn it off, on, or hold. So if you want to hook this up to an external speaker, we're just going to go ahead and just plug that in here. Of course, I've got the test CD in here. Let's go ahead and play that. The first song on here is actually just a lullaby. And if you want to go ahead and advance it to the next song, which would be number 2, it has some ocean sounds. Now if you look right here at the front too, you can see the battery life is also displayed. It's saying that I am playing a CD. So you got everything that you need to, just like you would any other CD player. And of course you can just easily advance these through your CD. Then you can go ahead and stop it real easily. I love it's got the wood look to it, the faux wood look. You can kind of see here, I mean, it's just a little bit larger than the CD that's inside here. Super easy to use, very retro. Hope you found this review helpful.